Hello friends, this is Danielle and welcome to my channel. Today's project I actually made last year, last July I believe, or at least I posted the coordinating blog post last July. So I had this video around for a little while. You'll notice that my desktop is a little different, and for some reason the lighting is a little bright. I've come a long way. But anyway, the products I'm using today is pattern paper from Dare to Be Artsy. It's from the All the Buzz paper pack, and I'm sharing that with you now. So I show you both sides of the pattern paper and the designs, and I make both a card and a matching tag in this video. Well, actually, I'm showing you the process for the tag. And I just show you a picture. I just shown you a picture of the card. So I follow a similar process. On the card itself, if you notice, I have a faint ink blended background. I'm using a watermark, I think it's called, stencil. I'll have the products listed in my coordinating blog post. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. So I'll leave you to watch the rest of the process. It's pretty simple. Thank you so much for visiting me today. I appreciate your time. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.